The Sicilian poem written by Salvatore Di Marco called An Innocent Wish. I'll recite it in both Sicilian and in English. I desideri di innocenti. Una sindigia di 5 anni appena dice al papà mi voglio maritare. Boh, ci dice paci, e che gran lena, hai una zita a cotapigliare. Ma quale zita non vale la pena, voglio a nonna che mi sappia amare. Ma no, Bigiuzzo, fai lo genitori, chi già me maci, non te la può pigliare. È vero che ti porta tanti amori, ma è me maci e non te la può pigliare. Perché, papà, non siamo già denangi? E tu, non ti maritasti come maci? And in English, An Innocent Wish. An innocent young boy of 5 years of age said to his father, I want to get married. Go on, the father joked. You're not of age to get married. Have you a girlfriend? Who's your wife to be? What girlfriend? They're not worth the bother. I want the one who loves me, my grandmother. Oh no, my son, said the father then. She's my mother. You can't marry her. It's true she loves you with great tenderness, but surely you can't marry my own mother. Why not, Dad? Aren't we one family? What about yourself? You married mine,